My specialism is astronauts, really. I've worked with NASA, I've met 16 of them now, so and astronauts are something that a lot of the kids are very... The fact we wear these badges on our shirt is because we work with Tim Peake.
I've started this year doing masterclasses to try and engage students in STEM related to the space agenda. So trying to help encourage students to really think about what they might want to do in the future.
My experiments are on the International Space Station in orbit as we speak. When you learn the sciences, it's very tempting to think of them as hard. Maths and science are subjects in which you get stuck, and you need something to drive you on. If you talk to people who do those things in later life, it's nearly always because they had a passion for it. And if we want more people to do these things, we've got to show them that it's an interesting, exciting thing to do. Then when they get stuck, they will keep going.
I think we need to engage students, we need to engage children, because science is where our future is going to lead us. If you think about anything that we have, the development of mobile phones, development of cars, everything has its basis in science, technology, engineering and maths.
I think it's very important that kids learn science and maths, the STEM subjects as they're now called. We need more people as an economy to do these things, but also that a lot of the long-term jobs of the future are likely to lie with this sort of job.
Work hard. There is no substitute for working hard. It's really useful to have an innate ability or an interest in it, but actually working hard is what's going to get you in the future to where you want to be. And don't worry if you get things wrong. We all make mistakes, and actually resilience in STEM, resilience in science is one of the most important things. If you look back through the history of science, people make mistakes and they change the way they think based on the results that they get, and they develop a new theory and a new theory. And so work hard, be resilient and keep at it.
I enjoyed the experiments learning about comets, making comets.
Practical side of it, as well as the learning about the actual theory.
Making the rockets, and it's like pretty much really creative.
The comets in space session today the most.
Learning new things, having like different people come and teach us, people who are like really passionate and like have learned a lot about their field.
My favourite part of today is learning about comets. I enjoy STEM because I want to have a future career in chemistry or engineering.
I'd like to do something to do with medicine or making medicine, so that's all science, chemistry, biology.
Probably go to university to probably study a science, maybe physics.
I'd like to go into finance in the future. I think that's interesting. And I like maths a lot, so that's probably where I'd like to go.
I would like to go to a university and continue my studies in science or mathematics.